Flood Disaster Response Simulation represents Community Disaster Preparedness Group activities on Semarang Flood Early Warning System program. The simulation was carried out in Wates, Wonosari, Mangkangwetan, and Mangunharjo sub-districts in 2014. The simulation aims to exercise the knowledge and skill Community Disaster Preparedness Group has got, so that they will be able to act appropriately when they are in real flood disaster situation. By having this activity, the community is expected to be less impacted from flood disaster risk.
Yes, yes, yes. Siap, ayo. Tangguh tenang. Yes. Siap tangguh. Yes. Kita. Siapa kita? Siapa kita? Siap bersatu. Siap. Tangguh dalam berjaga. Tangguh. Yes, yes, yes.
White level is the first level of evacuation system. At this level, the height of river water level is normal and the weather condition is normal. Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group observed the situation on the river bank by monitoring the river water level board. While monitoring water level, he is maintaining communication to the BPBD Semarang City headquarters frequently, at least once in 3 hours.
Kondisi air untuk di Wonosari, khususnya di RW 67 Daspringin, kayaknya ada peningkatan. Apa cuaca sana masih kondisi hujan?
Lapangan ini ada peningkatan sedikit, ternyata di sini masih berawan gelap, anginnya bertambah kencang, kemungkinan besar akan terjadi banjir dari mulai Wates begitu Lapangan.
Kondisi di Wonosari. Ini untuk level kami selalu standby di jembatan untuk mengetahui level masih posisi putih.
Tanam di sini juga begitu Pak Dut. Mungkin nanti akan kami laporkan kembali apabila nanti ada perkembangan yang lebih menonjol dan kami akan 87 89 kan begitu Lapangan.
86 sambil menunggu perkembangan. Untuk informasinya saya cukup sekian, nanti bisa sambung lagi begitu 813.
Jawabannya sama Pak Dut 813.
Untuk BPBD Kota yang bertugas pada hari ini, maaf. Mungkin kami laporkan bahwa kami mendapat informasi dari Wates untuk perkembangan debit air mulai sedikit bertambah dan ditambah cuaca mendung tebal dan komposisi hujan.
Posisi 815-nya tetap masih hujan rintik-rintik, mendung tetap gelap. Mohon diantisipasi sementara itu dulu dari Pak Dut Wonosari, Pak Eroman. Terima kasih. Sudah posisi naik ke level hijau.
Green level is the second stage of evacuation system. The river debit begin to increase and the weather is cloudy.
Debit air terus bertambah, mohon untuk bisa hati-hati, disampaikan kepada warga atau area masing-masing. Terima kasih.
Rain is continually falling for at least 10 minutes. Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group is communicating with the other evacuation group coordinators of the area. They then prepare themselves at the observation point.
Mangkangwetan, ini debit air di Wonosari tepatnya jembatan kami sudah naik di level kuning.
This level shows that the river water level reached yellow color, which means that the heavy rains have been occurring for 1 to 2 hours. Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group starts to hit the wooden bell or kentongan twice and instructs the community members to move away all valuable belongings, such as important documents, electronic instruments, vehicles, and livestock from their premises to safer places.
Sudah di level orange, mohon untuk dikentang tiga berturut-turut.
At this level, the river water begins to overflow into settlement after continuous heavy rainfall. The community starts to move out to the meeting point or temporary flood shelter. Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group and coordinator of the evacuation group hit Kentongan 3 times and order the evacuation process through most speakers when it is possible to do so. The rescue and evacuation team firstly assists children, elderly people, pregnant women, disabled, and persons with illness together to safer places. Member of the evacuation team starts to stretch ropes and buoys to help the community reaching temporary flood shelter. At this level, the river water has been overflowing into settlement for some time. Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group hits the Kentongan 4 times. All people without exception must be evacuated. People has to carry disaster kit bag which contains basic necessities. They have to be sure when they leave their premises the properties are in a secure condition and all the doors and windows are closed and locked.
Tolong ambil papan. Cek boleh papan. Cek jam. Papan.
Apa sudah didokumentasi?
Ayo, posisi. Udah. Mbak. Pegang. Tuh, 2, 3 kan. Tan, duduk. Tandu. Duduk. 2, 3, tekan. Pelan. 1, 2, 3, jalan. Pelan. Belakang agak turun.
Ini untuk cuacanya itu sudah agak aman atau sudah turun. Mohon untuk semua petugas KSB untuk penyisiran kembali ke lokasi masing-masing. Ya.
The evacuation team members walk around and check the settlement to ensure there are no people left at home.
Sisir dulu.
Aman terkendali.
At the red level, all community members must have been evacuated at the meeting point or temporary flood shelter. The health team provides first aid to injured persons. Secretary and logistic team starts to administer data collection from the refugees by filling form and then reports the results to coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group.
Untuk rumah masing-masing warga sudah kami susun.
Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group reports the situation simultaneously to head of sub-district, head of district, and the BPBD Semarang City Disaster Response Team via radio communication. Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group gathers all coordinator of evacuation group. They discuss the flood situation in order to prepare required logistic.
Teman-teman, ini kita melihat cuaca, informasi dari Wates sudah mulai reda. Setelah ini kita penyisiran ke warga kita. Mungkin ada yang tertinggal dan semuanya, atau semua itu sudah komplit, sudah data. Mas Arifin, sebagai pendapat.
Ini saya sudah laporkan ke kelurahan bahkan kecamatan. Sebentar lagi mungkin ada logistik yang akan kami masak untuk bersama ibu nanti. Terima kasih.
Ini saya sudah mendapatkan informasi dari Kota Pusat atau BPBD dan juga dari tim SAR sudah mulai berdatangan dan juga begitu dari tim-tim lainnya dalam.
Satu, dua, tiga.
Tandu diangkat mendekati korban. Tandu diangkat mendekati korban. Sikap, sikap.
Tali.
Dua, tiga.
Maaf, mbaknya.
When the flood condition is predicted to be lasting longer as the rain continuously falls with the same intensity, coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group decides to start preparing food for the refugees at the evacuation shelter. Coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group observed the weather conditions and the river water level. If the river water level is at yellow level, the evacuation team accompanied by the head of a household check the premises to ensure that the settlement is in safe condition.
Kondisi saat ini di kompos saya kira sudah aman.
If the condition is considered safe, coordinator of the Community Disaster Preparedness Group can let all people to return home.